Okay guys, we got Novastrosity here. Today I'm gonna, these pedals, these rubber grips for the pedals came in. This pedal's been like this for years. And now we got new pedals. These are gonna be easy to install. It's actually the same size. The clutch and the brake is actually the same size. But this one requires 2 bolts with balls on them. And I'll show you. You guys kind of mount them since this car been fabricated like it is. But we gotta mount them perfectly. See, it sits, the pedal sits at the bottom of this. So as it pressed down, it goes up. So here somewhere. I wanna be straight on with it. So you guys can see when you floor it, it slides along that in that groove. So we got to be right in this area there. Has to be like so. You want to be straight. So let me get some markings. We're gonna slap these on real quick. Come over some, because I want to have room over here, guys. I don't want to be too close here. Maybe farther there. Okay, guys, we need these mounting screws for this. They fit. Kind of lock in here. So we have to mount here on an angle. So we have to mount one of them here. Other than there. So I need something to make me some marks so I can be dead accurate. As you can see, it's slanted. It's not straight across. There's a slant in it, so I have to be on point. Okay guys, I gotta get some washers and find me some nuts for this application. I'm quite sure if this was a factory, these were screwed right into some bolts that was already made into the frame. But by this being fabricated, I gotta find a nut for this in a washer. I got these assorted washers, lock washers, regular washers, and some nylon nuts, some nylon locking nuts. I'm gonna use these two is what I found to be perfect. So I'm gonna mount this underneath the car. I'll use these vice grips to lock it from up top, and then we're gonna pop the pedal on. Okay guys, I'm by myself. Since I'm by myself, I got one of my steel barbells for some weight to hold it down. I'll use the vice grips from keeping this from spinning while I'm underneath on the car, tightening it up. Okay guys, we're gonna do a quick vacuum and we're gonna pop the pedal in. Okay guys, it's in. It's perfect where we want it to be at. So let's see how it functions. Perfect. Nice. Okay guys, if you found this video helpful guys, subscribe to the channel guys. I've got a whole lot of more stuff coming. Lots of videos with this car guys. We'll be at the track in the next couple weeks, and a whole lot of more stuff coming to the channel. So subscribe to the channel guys, hit that notification bell so you guys can be notified when I upload new content. Terrence, real quick, I took the pedal back off and I got some Velcro and I just stuck it in here to give it a smooth transition opposed to that metal rubbing up against that plastic. Just want to have a smooth transition when the throttle is pressed down, so it can just slide over this pad. I use the soft side on the Velcro, not the sticky part, just the soft part. And it's pretty thin. I didn't want it to be thick, so I can have some room so the pedal won't slip from up over it. So yeah, I want to just show you guys that. So I can pop it in so it can be smooth. It'll ride across that real smooth, that metal. Just want to show you guys that. Let me pop it back on now. All right guys, I want to show this as well. Just mounted the, I'll be doing the seatbelts in a second. Just mounted the fire extinguisher. I like it like that. Kind of go with the color scheme that I'll be going with throughout here. I've lost my key to get in the glove compartment, guys. I don't want to cut the lock open. I've searched everywhere for the key and it sucks. So, gotta figure it out.